Hello mga kabasketball! Heto naman po ang inyong pinakawalang hiyang YouTuber. Gawa ng videos kahit wala naman pong gustong manood. Anyways po, before anything else po, I would like to introduce myself. Sa hindi pa po nakakilala sa akin, my name is Owen, ang inyo pong basketbolerong bano. Alright! Long time no see po! It's been a while na hindi po ako gawa ng content. Anyways, so hindi pa po ako masyadong kilala. So, anyways, hindi pa po talaga ako nakapagpapakilala ng lubus-lubusan sa inyong lahat mga kabasketball. So aside po playing basketball, mahilig rin po akong manood makinig ng rock music. Kaya po, kung titingnan niyo po, mayroon rin po akong pinost na videos na about concert. Right? So yung pong Simple Plan and The Offspring. So, and wala pa akong videos dito sa YouTube because I don't have YouTube channel before. Kapanood na rin po ako ng Metallica and Stone Temple Pilots. Saka doon po sa Pilipinas, mahilig rin po akong manood ng mga Filipino bands natin, di ba? Yung Razorhead, River Maya, The Youth. So, 90s po. Right? So, Yano. So, XII, Intro Boys. So, nanonood po ako noon. I'm enjoying also alternative music. So, aside po playing basketball, yun po pa rin ang isa kong kinakaibigan. And mahilig rin po ako ng mountain biking. So, kaya lang po, hindi na po ako masyadong nakapag-bike because of my age. So, it's me. Again, my name is Owen, ang inyo pong basketbolero. Alright, so today po, we're going to do some unboxing again. Right, so today po, it's Jordan 12. Alright, let's do it. Okay, ito na po. Jordan 12 Black Taxi. Ito na po yung box na i-unbox natin mga kabasketball. Okay. Ilabas na po natin ang sapatos na ito. Okay. Let's show this bad boy. Okay, ito po ang Jordan 12 Black Taxi. Okay, napakasimple po. Just like almost 90% po ay itim. Color black. So that's why it's called Black Taxi. So nakita niyo naman po yung yellow, right? So maybe gold or maybe you can consider this as golden. But I think for me it's yellow. So anyway, it's up to you if you can consider this as golden or yellow. Okay. Ito po yun mga kabasketball. Alright. So for sure, ilalaro ko po to. Okay. Have a closer look, guys. So nothing extraordinary. It's a Jordan 12 retro. So just like almost all black. Of course, the iconic element of Jordan 12. Okay, here, the Jumpman. So, para sa akin, kung siguro ito ginawang yellow, right, di ba ito? Siguro mas maganda. So, sa akin lang po. Anyway, I'm not complaining. I love also using a Jordan 12 in playing basketball. Kasi po, medyo lighter po siya. Then, comfy po. Maganda sa loob. And of course, medyo protected po yung ankle nyo kasi po high cut siya. Alright? Okay, let's check kung mayroon po akong pangkaliwa at mayroon po akong pangkanan. Kasi po, ang paa ko po ay kaliwa kanan. Hindi lahat po kanan o hindi naman po lahat kaliwa. Okay. Eto na po ngayon yan, mga basketball. So, manual lang po nating iikot. Right? Manual rotation. So, ito na po yan, mga basketball. As I've told you again, there's no extraordinary element. This is just a combination of black and yellow or golden. As you wish. Alright. Okay, mga basketball, thank you po for watching. And sa hindi pa po subscriber, please do hit subscribe and hit also the notification bell para po pag mayroon po akong video ay mapanood niyo po. Okay po, thank you very much po. So sana po nagustuhan niyo ang video to. Okay. See you whenever.